Ndongoi ya chama cha Patriotic Front Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka Niwakulya Kanisa Uendee na Kuvoyea Nthi ya Kenya Muuo Uendee na Ukutuumanwa ainene ya Deliverance Church International Langata Road Ndongoi ino ya Wiper ni atola muti Ndongoi nene silikalini kwa kumalicha maofisa mavolisi maunduni mauteti na kumatumia kutwai siasi kosia kuumwisya enende ila membumbanioni siaki uteti kana udhaidhini makanisani mwaka mumo ni watumbanisya mauvo.
Metiwo ya mbulili kuvithukia mbumano cia uteti ciangaliko ya ulei undu mwena makanisa na ene kinya vanthi ya Kenya kindu kila ja sukumeisia Ndongoi cia ulei tongoi na mutongoi wa chama cha Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka kwikia kikalona inspector munene wa polisi Douglas Kanja na valasiko isukana na Kalonzo yolekete.
I was at a very important discussion with the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Kanja, and I want to thank him because since that meeting he has not sent men to come and enter a sanctuary and throw tear gas like they did in Uvoyee.
Ainena na athaithi kanisani wa Deliverance Church International kisioni cha Langata Road Kalonzo ni wawetaga na Nthi ya Kenya ni nthi ya kindemokrasia na Kenya mena uthasio wa kutembea na kuvulana na alame kwenda na katiba.
We amended Constitution 2010 and we now got it, a very important document. That document pronounces that our police force will be in the National Police Service. But now they've gone backwards, so pray for them.
Mutongo yu na ulani kitui kinene ngalikoni ya ulei Niwakulya Kanisa Uendee na Kuvoyea Nthi ya Kenya Yithiwe na Muuo na vala wakulya maofisa mavolisi kunenga ndaye ya ofisi wo na mayeka kulikwa maunduni mauteti ni Ndongoi silikalini.
The freedom of worship is absolute. May the church pray for a police service. Amen. So that they can also, a lot of them are born again. A lot of them are forced to beat people when they don't have to. But this habit they developed, particularly the Gen Z revolt, that they can now allow undisciplined youths, call them goons, going ahead to beat and maim with a full police protection. That is not expected in a democracy. And I hope Inspector General Kanja listened to that advice.
Livoti ya vilingwa mvoni toa mwaka mweu.